Hey, everybody. Today we're diving into the world of toolmaking, the craft behind every great build. Before you can create anything, you need the right tools, and that's where toolmakers shine. These skilled pros blend engineering, design, and materials science to make precision instruments. Toolmaking is about precision, safety, and a relentless commitment to quality. A single mistake can mean a dangerous or useless tool, so getting it right matters. In this video, I'll break down the essential steps every professional toolmaker follows. Whether you're a budding machinist or just curious, let's get started. Before we touch any machines, let's talk safety. SHEQ, safety, health, environment, and quality. Always follow safety protocols, wear your gear, and keep your workspace tidy. Environmental responsibility matters too. Dispose of chemicals properly and recycle when you can. A safe, clean shop is the foundation of great toolmaking. Every tool starts with a need, which becomes a blueprint, your roadmap. Reading blueprints is like learning a new language. Dimensions, tolerances, materials. Planning means understanding what the tool must do, and mapping out each step to make it happen. The right plan sets you up for success. Now for the fun part, machining. We shape raw metal into tool components using lathes, mills, and grinders. Each machine has its quirks, and mastering them takes patience and skill. We're talking about accuracy down to thousandths of an inch. It's metal sculpting at its finest. Metal's not the only game. Plastics are key for many tool parts. Knowing when to use injection molding or extrusion is essential for modern toolmakers. Each process has its strengths, and picking the right one ensures quality results. Sometimes shaping metal is about brute force, pressing and stamping. These methods use massive pressure to form metal quickly, perfect for mass production. It's fast, efficient, and ideal for making lots of identical parts. Creating a new tool or mold starts with an idea, then a blueprint. We choose materials, plan manufacturing, and build a prototype to test and refine. Only after rigorous testing do we move to final production. Every step ensures the tool meets exact specs. With all the parts made, it's time to assemble. Precision is key. Every component must fit and function perfectly. Careful alignment and adjustments make the system work as one. Safety is always top of mind during assembly. Quality assurance is next. Testing, measuring, and inspecting every detail. We check dimensions, tolerances, and performance under real conditions. Any flaw can compromise the tool, so nothing gets approved unless it's perfect. Only the best tools earn our stamp. Now let's get hands-on, operating lathes, mills, and grinders to make precise parts. It's where blueprints become reality and skill meets material. Mastering feeds, speeds, and tolerances is what sets pros apart. Once complete, tools are packaged and shipped with care. We include manuals, maintenance guides, and clear instructions. Customer satisfaction starts with a flawless delivery. Toolmaking is about more than one tool. It's about efficient production. Organizing workflow, managing inventory, and planning ahead keeps everything running smoothly. Smart planning means fewer delays and better results. Quality is a mindset. Every stage needs strict checks. From materials to final testing, everyone's responsible for excellence. Zero defects is always the goal. Time matters. Meeting deadlines is crucial. Realistic schedules, tracking progress, and quick adjustments keep production on track. Organization and flexibility ensure on-time delivery. Toolmaking is about meeting customer needs. We listen, adapt, and build strong relationships based on trust and quality. Being a toolmaker means being a true partner. That's your crash course in toolmaking. Becoming a skilled toolmaker takes dedication and passion for precision. You're building the tools that build the world. How cool is that? Like, subscribe, and drop your toolmaking questions below. Keep building.